So, you're a small business owner, and you're trying to figure out which AI tools are actually worth your time for marketing and content, right? Well, today we're going to break down some top-notch recommendations to help you cut through the noise.
I mean, let's be honest. There are hundreds, maybe even thousands of AI tools out there. It's a lot. And trying to pick the right one can feel like a whole other job you just don't have time for.
So here's the plan. We're going to focus on just five really foundational tools that can make a huge difference in your marketing, your content, and even your website without you needing a PhD in computer science. All right, let's get into it.
First up, we have to talk about the absolute powerhouse, your content engine, ChatGPT+. And listen, notice I'm not just saying ChatGPT. That little word plus is the key. For business, it makes all the difference.
Okay, so what is it? It's a paid subscription. We're talking about $20 a month. And for that, you unlock the really powerful stuff that the free version just doesn't have. Honestly, it's one of the best investments you can make in your business right now.
The big leap here isn't just a slightly smarter model. No, the real game changer is the ability to build your own custom GPTs. This is where it goes from being a cool tool to a genuine business asset. Think about it. Custom GPTs are like having a team of specialized AI assistants. You can build one that knows your client's exact brand voice because you've uploaded their style guide. You can have another one that's an expert at writing your weekly newsletter. Another for video scripts. It becomes this incredible, personalized knowledge hub for literally every part of your business.
But does this stuff actually work in the real world? Oh yeah. The expert behind these recommendations actually built a custom GPT to write a service page for a local dental IT company. The result? That page ranked #1 on Google for its target keyword. That's not just cool tech. That's a real, tangible business win.
Okay, so you've got this incredible content engine pumping out great material. Awesome. But where does all that content live? That brings us to tool number 2, an AI-powered way to build your home on the web.
Now, just a quick heads up, for full transparency, the creator of this list does have a sponsorship with Hostinger. But, and this is important, they've also been a paying customer for more than 6 years, using it for their own sites and for their clients, so they really stand by it.
The process is almost laughably simple. You just type in your brand name, you paste in a description of what you do, which, by the way, you could totally generate with ChatGPT+, and then you click the big Create a Website button. And get this, how long does it take? About 30 seconds. Seriously, 30 seconds and the AI spits out a fully functional draft of a website. That means pages for your services, an About section, a contact form, all just there.
Now, let's be real. Is it going to be the perfect final version of your website? Of course not. You'll need to go in and tweak things. But as the creator puts it, it's a heck of a start compared to staring at a blank screen or getting a $5,000 invoice from a web design agency.
All right, so we have content and we have a website. The next logical step is thinking about how to scale everything up. And that's where these integrated power platforms come into play. These tools combine a bunch of functions to help you grow without pulling your hair out.
So we're going to look at 3 big ones in this category. Blaze AI, which is fantastic for all-in-one content marketing, Perplexity, your go-to for deep research, and HubSpot, which is an amazing AI-powered CRM.
First up is Blaze AI. The best way to think about this is, what if ChatGPT, Canva, and Hootsuite all got together and had a baby? That's kind of what Blaze is. You upload your brand kit once, and it keeps everything. Your writing, your visuals, totally consistent. For a small business, this is huge. It means you stop jumping between 5 different tabs just to schedule one social media post.
Next, we have Perplexity. You can think of this as a search engine on steroids. If your business depends on knowing what's going on in your industry, this is a must-have. Why? Because it actually cites its sources, so you know where the information is coming from. And its Spaces feature is incredible. It's like a custom GPT just for research, letting you create a focused knowledge base for any project.
And wrapping up this section is HubSpot. It's one of the biggest names in the CRM world. That's Customer Relationship Management. It's the central hub for all your client interactions. HubSpot is betting everything on AI, building it right into their tools, like an AI landing page builder to help you get more leads. And the best part? Their free plan is super generous, so you can get started without spending a dime.
What really makes HubSpot a leader here is their marketplace of AI agents. We're talking hundreds of specialized bots that can do things like keyword research, competitor analysis, you name it. It shows just how deeply they're weaving AI into the fabric of their platform.
Okay, let's switch gears and do a little lightning round. Here are 4 more really interesting, specialized tools that you'll definitely want to have on your radar for specific jobs.
So if you need to create a lot of long-form, SEO-friendly blog posts, check out SEO Writing AI. For anything related to AI voice, text-to-speech, cloning a voice, 11 Labs is the king. If you want to dip your toes into the world of AI, avatars, and video, HeyGen is a blast to use. And finally, to make all these different tools talk to each other, a platform like Zapier is essential for automating your workflows with AI.
So after looking at all this, it brings up a really big question for any small business. As AI gets woven into everything we do, what's the winning strategy? Will the future be about picking and choosing the best specialized tool for each job? Or will one of these giant all-in-one platforms eventually rise up and do it all? It's something to think about.